Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I have an interesting video for you guys. So, Madam Glam is doing a 2-day shopping event. It is for May 9th and the 10th. You have to use my code or my link, which will be down below, for 50% off, 2 days only, using my code or my link only. They want to prepare you for summertime and have you get all of your colors ready for your summer vacations. So in honor of the shopping event, I wanted to go through all of the collections that Madam Glam has released so far. So we are January, February, March, April, May, 5 months in. That's almost halfway through the year. And so I'm going to go through. We're going to review the colors that have been released this year, and I'm going to pick my favorites, and we're going to do a tutorial using them so I can show you how you can mix and match through all of the collections. So these first 10 off to the side, this is January Chicago Windy Layover collection, and I will leave links down below to all of the swatch videos for these colors. Let's just go through them. We have Eggnog Latte, Blue Monday, Very Berry, Winter Teal, Honey Mustard, Oh Happy Day, Reset, Old Habits, Spice Cider, and 1 o'clock. Now this collection is quite a bit darker in range. You can see like this was definitely like a winter, then we got lighter into spring, and then we're kind of getting into summer colors as we move along. So that was the January collection. Moving on to February, we have the Jackpot collection. These were holographic colors. I have 4 of them. We have Eternal, Not Your Boo, Lovesick, Peppermint Kiss. So those were the 4 from the Jackpot collection from February. Then right here we have 11, well they're really 10 colors plus a topper from the March Macaroon collection. So let's go through those. We have the Confetti No Wipe Top Coat that got released, Viola, Sweetness, Raindrop, Blueberry Cream, Candyland, Primavera, I Lime You, Lemon Pie, Spring in Paris, and Cherry Petals. That was the March Macaroon Pastel collection. Then moving on to this row here, we have April's collection, Glamour, Fame, Power. It was a collection of 15 colors, reds, pinks, and creams that ombre. I have 5 of them here. Casino, Walk of Fame, Venice Beach, Millennium, and Old Town. So that was the Glamour, Fame, Power. Then I have the entire new May collection, which was Traveling to Mexico. This video should have just went live either video before or 2 videos ago. Again, will be linked down below. Let's go through them. Lavender Springs, Lemon Drop, Tulips, Bluebell, Apple Bite, Peach Pie, Cottontail, Cloudless, Spring Fever, and Candy Pop. So as you can see, this is a lot of colors, and I don't even have all of them. I'm missing 4 from the Jackpot collection and 10 from the Glamour Fame Power collection. But I do have full collections of Windy Layover, Macaroon, and then the Mexico collection. So it's a lot of colors, and it can be overwhelming. So I just wanted to go through, kind of review everything. But now let's go ahead and pick out some of my favorites. Of course, the confetti topper is one of my favorites, but it's not a color. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side. And this also doesn't include the pudding gels that Madam Glam came out with. We have 6 pudding gels. I'm not going to include these because they are a different formula. But again, we'll leave links down below to that video if you want to check out the pudding gels as well. Madam Glam is over here doing a lot, so definitely check out my videos. Make sure you subscribe so you can keep up to date with all Madam Glam is doing. Okay, so I want to go ahead and pull some colors together and see what kind of a design we can do. Of course, the purples are pulling my attention, but I always do purples. The biggest one that's really pulling my attention is Bluebell for whatever reason. It's like pretty periwinkle. I think I'm gonna pull this one, and then Not Your Boo kind of goes with that, so I'm gonna pull that. Let me move these over. So these are the ones I'm working with here. What else would go with that color? I feel like a yellow would be pretty if we pull Honey Mustard to go with it. That's a pretty palette. And then let's pull a neutral. Maybe let's do Old Town or Millennium. No, let's do Old Town. And I got one from every collection except the Macaroon collection, so kind of want to pull something from the Macaroon collection so I can kind of combine everything. I think that would be fun. I don't know if I want to do another blue. The blues are going to be too similar. Or I could pull another yellow. I almost want to pull green. Would that throw off the look? I kind of want to pull the green. I'm going to go ahead and put all these colors back, and then we'll take a look at the ones I've pulled, and we're going to figure out a design. Okay, so taking a look at the colors we have. Bluebell, Not Your Boo, I Lime You, Honey Mustard, and Old Town. What I'm kind of seeing is like Denim and Daisy, which I think would be fun. I think I can roll with that. So let me go ahead, get some press-ons ready to go, and we'll start playing with them. So for this tutorial, I have taken some stiletto press-ons and I have them all prepped here. And we're gonna go in with Madam Glam's Pivot, which is another one that I just pulled. And I'm gonna use this as a nude background shade to do French tips on 2 of the nails. Then we're gonna take Bluebell and we're gonna paint this on 2 of the nails. And for the final nail, we are going to take Honey Mustard. I go ahead and do a second coat of all of these colors. Next, I'm going in with Not Your Boo, which is that blue holographic. I'm going to go on top of the two blue nails with this. Then I'm going to go ahead and pull the two nude nails onto a separate stand. I'm going to cleanse the tacky layer off. We're going to take Bluebell and we're going to do a deep French tip on both of the nails. Now I'm going to take Old Town on a palette here and a little detail brush. I believe this is my Young Nails detailer brush. And I'm going to paint on little daisies. I'm going to do one full one and one half one. And I'm going to do this on both of the French tip nails. Next, I take the honey mustard nail and I decided I wanted to do a giant daisy right by the cuticle area. So I'm going to go ahead and paint that in. Now taking honey mustard on my palette, I'm going to go in and do the center of the flowers. And to finish this design, we're going to go ahead and top coat with Madam Glam's top coat. Okay, so here is the design I ended up coming out with. I think it's super fun, definitely very springy, but you could definitely wear this into summer. I'm loving this blue with the holographic blue. So let me show you the colors that I had pulled. So these are the original 5 I had pulled. I ended up not using the green. I was gonna add leaves to it, but I loved how the flowers looked by themselves as is, so I ended up not using the green. But I did pull Pivot, which was not this year's release, it was last year's release, but I thought it would look really cute with the French tip with that blue on it. So I did pull that one. So again, we used Not Your Boo, which was the holographic blue. This is Bluebell, Old Town for the flowers, Honey Mustard for the yellow, and Pivot for the nude background. So you guys will have to let me know down below what you think of the design I came up with, and let me know what is your favorite releases so far from this year from Madam Glam. So Madam Glam is having a 2-day event. It is May 9th and May 10th. So it is a shopping event. You can use my 50% off code to get 50% off anything from Madam Glam. I will have it up on the screen as well as in the description box down below. So if you need to pick up anything new for summer or you needed to fill in a part of your collection, now is your chance with this shopping event. Remember, it's 2 days only, so you gotta act quick on this. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy me coming up with little tutorials, and make sure to subscribe to see what other tutorials I come up with using more of the Madam Glam colors. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!